Today is 27th of July 2018. I'm trading Twitter right now, and I've gone short around here, and I'm going into 3 steps, and I covered everything up on Twitter, and I'm keeping an eye on EUMC and AM. Well, I'm not AMD, but where is Twitter? Okay, so Twitter, I made a mistake. I went short here. I covered in 3 steps. I did not wait until like it to get to this target. It made some hesitation up here, and as soon as it made some hesitation, I got out. But no, it's eventually go towards my target, and I did not respect my target. So that's a mistake. Um, this um, team UMC might. Let's try going short on UMC. Um, Target is well, that's a big if, but something happened up here which I didn't even see because the stock moved so fast. Can I go towards this 3770? Well, let's see. I'll put it. Um, okay. What did I do? Okay, I'll put a break-even stop loss. Break-even stop loss at yeah, break-even stop loss at the entry point. Let's see if it can go to 3770 and then eventually 35. Okay, covered a little bit 25, and the next target is 3751. What's going on here? Okay, 3751. Wells Fargo looks like a nice one, but I don't want to risk it. 5874. So that's just 10 cents though. There's YUMC. Okay, YUMC is going towards my target. My target is at 3749. I used too many tickets up here. One, two, three, four. Too many tickets. don't think she's gonna make any new lows. So I'm just gonna get out. Okay, it's going there. Alright. I covered everything. It went towards my target and I covered everything. I used a lot of tickets in this one, so let's see how many tickets did I use in total. 9. And oh, what have do I have here? Billy, Wells Fargo. Okay, let's use this chart. Billy, Wells Fargo. Team. Um, Team does not have any volume. YUMC is there. AMD. Okay, AMD is making new highs. I don't know how to trade it, so. Yeah. And this one, Intel. I don't know. Twitter. Dang it, Twitter. I covered in 3 steps. Alright, so let's see the panel for today. I have 77, and I have $59 profit today. I just feel like there are more opportunities that I can exploit. Definitely not AMD, not Intel either. I mean, Intel is good. I don't know how to write Intel though right now. If it does not reverse around the dollar, then there's a possibility that Twitter might go to 34.89, and there are big sells up here. Okay, so there's the reversal. Let's see. Okay, it has established 1 minute, so maybe this might be a reversal point. I'm not trading this because this is in between these two moving averages, and these two moving averages it's really hard to trade. Uh, it might reverse from here, and most of the time I get my losses because of that. It reverses from here and go back down, or something like that, something of that sort. Intel looks nice too. Intel seems like it's gonna go lower, lower to 47, 40, but it can be reversal too at the same time because it's around the dollar. And let's see, what's Twitter doing? Okay, I'm short on Twitter again. Uh, let's hope that it doesn't reverse back on me. Oh no, I think it's gonna reverse. I think I'm gonna cover. There's a fight going on up here. I'm up. Sorry, I got out. And seems like it's gonna be a long. Oh, it's really hard to tell. I'm short again. Let's see if this time it can succeed in breaking this. Yeah, this time it did succeed. Half break even. Got out. Just too much stress. But I know he's gonna go low. He's gonna go low, and I have 14 tickets. Okay, so I have 14 tickets, and my okay, so my I have traded how many stocks today? My PNL today is 92.75. Um, there you go. Oh, there you go. Anyway, let's talk about the trades I have taken today. I have taken two trades. YUMC. I went short around here. It hit first in the opening range. First it went down, and after that it went back up to the VWAP, and from the VWAP it reversed back. As soon as it was reversing, I caught the move, and I used one 2 minute tickets. I used 4 or 5 tickets in this one, but normally I shouldn't be using that many tickets. But here I covered in 4 or 5 steps up, the last one up here, the target, and after that is going below, and there's another target. Well, there's no target. There's the previous day close. It might go back to the previous day close, and it might stop right there. But I did not trade after that because I knew it was a chase, and I stopped trading that. And in Twitter, I traded 3 times. In 3 times, the first time I went short. I went short right around here in the opening range breakdown, and as soon as I went short, I covered in 2 or 3 steps. And after I covered, it went back up, and I would have been stopped out if I would have put in it. I've replaced it, make it as a stop loss. But yeah, I covered in 3 steps, and after that. After that, I traded one more time. I went short around here. I knew that the stock was hovering around dollar, and I felt like that it's gonna break the dollar, but it's gonna make some reversal, and around this moving average. If it does not make a reversal around this moving average, then it's gonna go and break the dollar. So I went short, and it was not strong enough, or it was not the volume. Well, the volume was there, but it was not push enough. I don't know how to say this, but I didn't feel comfortable about it, and I was like, okay, I'm getting out. As soon as the stock made a little bit high, I was like, okay, I'm getting out. I got out, and as soon as I got out, the stock went back below the moving average, and I went back short again around here, and I covered around this moving average. I did not wait for it to break the dollar because uh, I, I was too stressed out, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna wait that much. So have taken three trades. First, second did not work out, and the third worked out again. So third I covered in two steps from here to here. I covered in two steps. So that should be it for today. I have a PNL of $92, but minus the commission, I have a profit of $64, I think. Yeah, I have a profit of $68. So I'm exiting the market with the profit of $68. And yeah, that should be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Today is 27th of July 2018. And yeah, have a good day. Bye bye, guys.